Welcome to my channel, Nimi's Cosmo. Hey there! This channel is all about sharing my life, my passions, and inspiring you to unlock your potential. Get ready for daily vlogs, where I take you along on my adventures, sharing my experiences and insights. I'm also passionate about DIY crafts. Join me as I guide you through fun and creative projects that you can try at home. Plus, I'll be sharing ideas on how to make money online, exploring various opportunities that can help you achieve financial freedom. I can't wait to connect with all of you and grow together. So hit that subscribe button and join our community. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.